Hi friends, I'm Sherry and thank you for joining me for Sherry's DIY Secrets. I've been gone for a while because life kind of took over, but I'm back now and I'm also happy to report that I have finished the newest project, the upstairs guest bathroom, and I cannot wait to show it to you. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and take a peek at the newest project that I completed. Don't forget to subscribe because there's more to come. Well, friends, this is the end result of the guest bathroom, and I couldn't be more pleased with it. Let me know how you like it or your feelings about it as well in the comments, and I look forward to bringing you another DIY next week. Bye, friends. See you soon.